Hello folks! Before the Galaxy S25 series was launched, it was rumored that Samsung might not use its in-house DRAM and storage chips in its new high-end phones. Now it has been confirmed that the information was correct. Micron, an American memory chip maker, has confirmed that the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra use its LPDDR5X DRAM and UFS 4.0 storage chips. The company posted this information on X, and it was confirmed by Samsung's smartphone division. For ages, Samsung relied on its own memory chips made by Samsung Semiconductor, but the fact that it had to rely on Micron for the Galaxy S25 series straightforwardly confirms that Samsung's variant just wasn't that good. Micron is basically one of Samsung's primary rivals in the semiconductor memory chip segment. Micron said that its LPDDR5X RAM chips are made using an advanced 1-beta technology. This technology allows for the chip to be optimized to run at lower voltages than the competition. This results in improved battery life on devices that use those chips. This pretty much means Micron's solution is offering better battery life for the Galaxy S25 series. This might be the first time Samsung has bought memory chips from an outside brand for its flagship smartphones. All previous Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series phones have used Samsung Semiconductor's DRAM and storage chips, so this is a major blow to Samsung's memory chip business. I reckon they weren't good enough for all these AI tricks that Samsung heavily advertised with the Galaxy S25 release. In a way, Samsung backing off from using its own chips for the Galaxy S25 series is good news for the customer. If it couldn't make it work, better use something that will provide the needed performance so people don't have to complain about their Galaxy S25 overheating or anything. In the meantime, we expect Samsung to stick with its own Exynos 2500 for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7, which may or may not be on par with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite. Judging by the way that things are going, maybe the foldables that we will officially see in the summer would also have Micron's RAM chips, although at the moment this isn't clear. Samsung's biggest competitor, Apple, is taking the opposite direction and working on relying less and less on other companies with upcoming iPhones. The Cupertino company recently revealed the iPhone 16e, sporting Apple's homegrown C1 modem for wireless connectivity, and is rumored to be working on a higher-end version for next year's iPhones. Hopefully, Samsung isn't entirely feeling humiliated by its decision. All in all, the user matters most, and if you can't deliver to the expectations, better have somebody else do it. Nevertheless, I'd personally love it if Samsung could advance its chip-making abilities just for the sake of us getting a strong Exynos 2500 chip for the Flip. In the meantime, Samsung has released the fifth One UI 7.0 beta update to the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra in the USA. The update has a download size of around 450 MB, depending on the model. The update is currently available on AT&T and Verizon's networks. As you can see in the screenshots, the new One UI 7.0 beta update fixes the VVM crash issue that was reported. It doesn't bring anything new apart from that bug fix. It isn't clear if this hotfix update will also be released in other countries where the One UI 7.0 beta program is available. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.